Driver puts 12 to 13,000 miles a year on a car. At Saturn, we knew this. Where and how, though, is anyone's guess. For sure, we knew people would be taking the new Saturn places and using it in ways you'd never figure or even imagine. So we tested it. We ran it 6 million miles, everywhere, sometimes nowhere.
The Saturn Car Company, once a symbol of innovation, optimism, and American manufacturing pride, held a unique place in automotive history. But how did this revolutionary company rise, and why did it eventually fall? Let's take a journey through the fascinating history of Saturn, the car company that went against the grain. It all began in the early 1980s. General Motors, or GM, was facing stiff competition from foreign automakers, especially Japanese companies like Toyota and Honda, who were dominating the economy car market. GM's response? A bold, new project that would focus on creating an all-American, innovative brand, one that could stand out and face the global competition. In 1985, GM officially announced the creation of Saturn. The goal was simple: develop a car brand that could compete with the best of the best, combined high quality, innovative manufacturing processes, and an entirely fresh approach to the car buying experience. The project was so secretive that eternally it was dubbed Project Saturn. In 1990, Saturn's first vehicle, the SL sedan, rolled off the production line in Spring Hill, Tennessee. The design was modern, with a focus on efficiency, safety, and affordability. What set Saturn apart was its marketing and its approach to customer service. It was the first GM brand to truly emphasize customer satisfaction and transparent sales practices. No high-pressure sales tactics, just honest pricing. The Saturn brand quickly became known for its no-haggle pricing policy, which appealed to customers tired of the traditional car dealership experience. Saturn's slogan, "A different kind of company, a different kind of car," perfectly encapsulated this approach. Another groundbreaking aspect of Saturn was its revolutionary manufacturing process. The company took a unique approach to labor relations, even creating a UAW-free partnership with its workers, who were referred to as associates. They were given more input into the production process, and the company touted its commitment to high employee morale and collaboration. This was in stark contrast to the often adversarial relationship between JM and its labor unions. In the mid-90s, Saturn expanded its lineup with new models like the sporty SC Coupe and the family-friendly SW Wagon, and the SUV-inspired Saturn Vue. They were designed to appeal to a broad range of customers, showing that Saturn wasn't just an economy car, it was a brand for everyone. But by the early 2000s, Saturn faced increasing challenges. The once innovative brand found itself struggling to maintain its identity in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. Consumer taste shifted. The Saturn's focus on affordability sometimes led to cars that lacked luxury features or cutting-edge technology offered by the competitors. The 2000s also brought significant challenges for General Motors. Especially in the wake of the financial crisis of 2008, GM was forced to restructure. And in 2009, the company decided to phase out Saturn as part of its bankruptcy recovery plan. In 2010, Saturn was officially discontinued, marking the end of a unique chapter in American automotive history. The brand that promised something different, that once captured the hearts of consumers with its transparency and innovation, was no more. But Saturn's impact is still felt today. The company changed the way people viewed car buying. It challenged old industry norms, and its cars remain fondly remembered by enthusiasts. The Saturn story is one of ambition, optimism, and the hope that an American car company could reinvent itself and compete on the world stage. Though Saturn is no longer with us, its legacy lives on in the cars we drive today and the lessons that the automakers learned along the way. Saturn's vision of putting the customer first simplified the car buying experience, with an innovation for the future that still echoes through the automotive industry today.